Don't you just love wedding cakes? They have that special flavor that no other cake seems to have. Well, we've captured it here today for you in this awesome new recipe. We're starting with our Baker's Request white cake. We've added to it some butter and vanilla flavor and some almond emulsion. That's what will give you that fabulous wedding cake flavor. For the buttercream, I've used a Dawn buttercream base. They're super customizable. Today, we're using lots of different fun ingredients in our buttercream to give us that beautiful, white, fluffy, wedding cake flavored buttercream. Check the recipe link in the description below. Let's start with our swirl cupcake. I love Baker's Request for my cupcakes because it bakes level for less waste, so I can decorate right on the top of the cupcake. This is a closed star tip. It's a really large one with lots and lots of tines, and that's how we get that beautiful swirl design. Now we're going to do a hydrangea cupcake. We use a 1M tip for this one. Take the tip and hold it upright, creating little, easy rosettes, and then fill in. For this next design, I'll be using a Russian tip. First, we'll make a swirl with a 1M, and this is to give the design some depth. Next, we'll fill in around it with Russian tip flowers. This cupcake design is called a primrose. It's using a large petal Korean tip. It's also using a large grass tip. Now we're going to do a classic tea rose. Because this is a large jumbo cupcake, I'm going to use a long thin one like this to do the inside of the rose, and a fatter one down below so that my thick petals will support all the thin ones at the top of the design.